Check out this AI news channel that has generated 288,000 views in the last 30 days. And it is generating between $72 to $1,000 per month. In the past, creating news content required challenging tasks like writing, presenting, and setting up a studio. However, with the power of AI, this process has become incredibly simple. Let me guide you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Please look at this demo.
Migrants sue Biden administration over asylum app. A group of migrants has taken legal action against the Biden administration regarding the use of the CBP One app in the asylum process. These migrants attempted to seek asylum at the U.S.-Mexico border but were rejected by U.S. immigration officials for not using the app.
Number 1. Channel name and description. For our channel branding, we require a channel name, description, and a banner. Let's return to ChatGPT to generate 10 YouTube news channel name ideas. I like Worldview Express, so I'll use that. Now, let's ask for a YouTube channel description in 6 lines. And ask for the YouTube banner caption. Now, copy all the details in one place. Number 2. Logo and banner creation. Regarding the banner creation, I'll head to Canva and select the YouTube banner template. I'll search for News Channel in the search bar and pick a suitable template. The one I've chosen looks great, so I won't make any changes. I'll download it as is. Now, let's work on the logo. I'll search for logo templates and choose one. We have plenty of options. I choose this logo template. To customize it, I'll click on Customize this template and add text based on our channel name. I'll adjust the font and size accordingly. Once done, download the logo using Download button. Number 3. Channel branding. Moving on to the YouTube channel itself, I'll use the existing one. If you don't have. Create a new channel. I'll paste the name and then input the ID. The next step is to paste the description. For branding purposes, I'll upload the logo by clicking on Upload, selecting the logo, and clicking Done. I'll also upload the banner, adjusting as needed, and then click Done. Finally, I'll hit the Publish button, and our channel will be ready. Number 4. Script creation. To gather some news content, I'll go to Google and search for Latest Breaking News in U.S. I'll switch to the News tab and select a topic. I'll scroll down, select the headlines, and copy them. I'll then paste the copied news in ChatGPT, making sure to include a title before each heading for better results. Here is our news script. Let's copy and paste it somewhere. Number 5. Animation and voiceover. Open Google and search for Hagen.com. This tool lets characters speak. Create an account and log in using your Gmail or other ID to get free credits. I have an alternative method for getting multiple free credits in DID software. Comment free in the comment section. I'll upload a video on that. Click on the Select an Avatar option to access various choices. I'll go with this character. Click on Create Video and choose the Landscape option. You can customize the outfit using the Outfit option. Select the outfit which you like. Click on the Voice option and select the Jenny voice. You can preview the voice as well. Give the character a name and save it. Go to the Avatar Pro section, choose the saved character, click on Create Video and choose the Landscape option. Now let's set a green background. Click on the Color button and pick green. For voiceover, you have 2 options: generate voice from text or upload an audio file. I will utilize the Text Script option. Simply paste the copied news from ChatGPT and then click the Submit button. After that, click Submit again. Now download the video. Number 6. Video editing. I use CapCut for editing. It's a fantastic and free software. I import all the resources here. I've added a background video, a green screen video for breaking news, and the video we created. You can find the green screen video on Pixabay or Pexel's websites. Many of you are familiar with basic editing, so I'll provide a quick demonstration for those who are new. Let's start by importing the background video. Then bring in the breaking news video as a separate layer. After selecting the layer video, navigate to the Cutout tab, enable the Chroma key option, and pick the green color. Increase the strength to 100%, and now add the intro audio. Let's trim the unwanted parts. The intro is now complete. Next, to enhance the news report, add the news-relevant images or the video clips as background. Now, add the news video as a layer. To remove the green background, go to Cutout tab. We'll use the Auto Cut option, which will also remove any watermarks. Shift the character to the right side of the screen. Extend the background to cover the entire video length. Now, include the breaking news green screen video. Use the Chroma key to eliminate the green color. For captions, go to Text tab and select Auto Captions. Choose the language you want and click on the Create button. Caption is ready. Finally, click the Export button. Our video is ready for upload. Number 7. Video upload. Go to your channel and click on the Upload Video button. Choose the exported file. The video is currently being uploaded. Let's include a title and description for our video and add some hashtags for SEO. Now add a thumbnail. I'm using an example thumbnail. I've already added a video to my channel. Check that video to learn how to create a customized thumbnail. Next, select the No, It's Not Made for Kids option. Click Next repeatedly. Select the Public option, and finally click the Publish button. Our video is now live.
Migrants sue Biden administration over asylum app. A group of migrants has taken legal action. Thank you for watching this free AI tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video on artificial intelligence. Goodbye for now.